I should cook. I'm adult. I got this. Hear me out. Let's order the food and lie down like royalty. Hello, budget queen. Cooking saves money. But ordering saves energy, and girl, we are tired. But to be honest, home food is healthy. But pizza is happiness. Don't fight signs. Therapeutic. But so is tracking the delivery guy every 2 minutes. I might feel proud that I cooked. You might regret as well seeing all the dishes. Leftover for tomorrow, that's a bonus lunch. My girl, do we know we'll live that long?